Okay, today I'm going to show you a secret method that I'm using for Pinterest and Digistore24 affiliate marketing that is giving me a good results. And we are going to use only free AI. Now, point of this method is about philosophy of marketing. So you need to pay close attention what I'm doing and why I do that. That is really important. So first thing you need to do, you need to choose your niche. Now let's say I'm in weight loss niche. Weight loss is always evergreen niche. So next thing you need to do, you need to find a good product that you wish to promote. Now for that, we will come here on Digistore24 affiliate marketplace. And here I will scroll and I will choose English language because I wish to promote only products on English language. So here I will search for weight loss. Okay, and here you can see there is a lots of weight loss related products that I can promote. Now here you can see smoothie diet. Now this product exists for a long time and it is proven to be a good product. Here you can see official smoothie diet 21-day weight loss program. These are actually ebooks. Now that is what I like. I don't like these tablets and drugs. I don't like to promote that. I like to promote ebooks and stuff like that. Okay. So here you can see this is the product that I wish to promote. So now I need to make a landing page for this product because I cannot send traffic directly to my affiliate link because most of the big companies, they actually don't like direct affiliate links. And that is why you need to make a bridge page, a landing page. Don't worry, we are going to use an AI to make that page so you don't need to know HTML. You can be absolute beginner. You just need to know what you want. I want a landing page for this product here. So for that, we are going to use Claude AI. And then here I will give it this rather long and detailed prompt. When I click here, you can see this is the prompt. And here you can see it is very long. It is very detailed prompt that is telling Claude AI exactly what they need to do. Okay, so now all I have to do is just click here and Claude AI will make HTML landing page for this product here that I wish to promote. Okay, and just give it a few seconds to finish making this landing page. Now in the meantime, while Claude AI is making this page, what you need to do, you actually need to choose where you will publish this landing page. Now it is best if you can publish this landing page on your own web hosting. That is by far best option. But if you are absolute beginner and you don't have money to pay for your own web hosting, in the beginning, what you can do is you can go here on Google Sites and you can click here on blank site. And here you can add your HTML landing page. So I will actually delete this header because I don't need it. Then what you need to do, you need to click here on embed and you need to choose here embed code. And here we need to embed the HTML code that Claude AI will make for us. Just wait Claude AI to finish making that landing page. Okay, Claude finished my page and here you can see how this page look, how this landing page look. Here I need to add my own image of this product. You can simply go back here. You can go here on their sales page, for example, and here you can find this image. Here you can find even more images, okay? And when I go back here, and here you can see how my page look. Here you can add your Digistore24 affiliate link. Also here you can add your affiliate link. Here you can see how this page looks. This actually looks pretty good considering it is a free landing page, free AI. This is how this looks. So what I need to do, I simply need to go here on HTML. I need to copy this code. I need to go back here on Google Sites and I need to paste that code here. Next, and give it a second. Click here on insert. And this is how this looks. So I will actually make this wider like this. Okay. And also I will make this longer like this. And let me see how this page looks. When I click here, I can see my page. This is how my page looks. As you can see, it actually looks pretty good. And on the computer, it looks really, really good. This is how it looks. Like I said, I just need to replace this image here with my own image that I can find on their official website. Here you can see I can, for example, use this image here, okay? And I can add that image here, so this website would look even better. And also, like I said, don't forget to add your affiliate links. You can add your Digistore24 affiliate link here. Here, you can also add that affiliate link here on the bottom. Let me just scroll here. You can add your affiliate link here, okay? So now when we have our product and when we have our landing page, now we need to start promoting our landing page. For that, we are actually going to use Pinterest, and we are going to use Pinterest videos because Pinterest is pushing videos because it is competing with TikTok, with Instagram Reels, with YouTube Shorts, Facebook Reels, and so on. So they are pushing videos. So now you need to make a potentially viral video. People like before and after. They like to see results. In this case, you need to show person before the weight loss and after the weight loss. In this case, after using 21 days smoothie diet. So what I need to do? I need to go here on Google Flow, okay? And I need to click here on New Project. And now I need to start making my video. So first I need to make an image. So here I will click here and I will choose image, and I will choose 9:16 aspect ratio because we are making video for Pinterest, but we can also use this video for TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts. Here I will choose Nano Banana 2. Here I will choose 2 times 1, okay? And here you can see it will cost me 0 credits to make this image. And here I will give it a prompt. Don't worry, I actually have a general prompt that you can use, that you can actually adjust to your own niche. Okay, so all I have to do now is just click here on enter, and now Google Flow will create an image for me that I can use to make a video to promote this product here. Okay, so just give it a few seconds to finish. As you can see, it already finished 45% of this image. Okay, Google Flow finished my image, and as you can see, this is actually a good image. This is a slightly overweight woman. So what I need to do? I need to click here on these 3 dots, and I need to click here on animate. Okay, and then here I need to choose video, I need to choose frames, I need to choose 9:16. Here I will choose Omni Flash, and here I will choose 8 seconds, and here I will choose times 1. And this will actually cost me 12 credits. But don't worry, by the end of the August, you will get 50 credits, free credits every day. So here I will give it this prompt. This will be my first scene. So what I need to do, I need to press enter. And now Google Flow from this image will actually animate this image and make a scene number 1 for me. Okay, Google Flow finished making this video, so let me just click here on this video. And let me just pause this, okay? And okay, let me play this video so you can see how this looks.
Today is the day I begin. Every small step counts.
So now what you need to do, you need to actually save the last frame of this video because we need to continue. So I will slightly move this, okay? And now you need to click here to save frame, okay? Just give it a second to save this last frame. As you can see, frame saved as an image, okay? So now I need to go back here, and here you can see this is the last frame. So I need to click here on these 3 dots, again animate, okay? And I will give it a new prompt. This is my scene number 2. Continue from the final frame of the scene number 1, okay? And here you will keep the setting for video, frames, aspect ratio, 8 seconds times 1, okay? And again, it will cost you another 12 credits to make the scene number 1. But like I said, you will get 50 free credits every day by the end of the August, okay? So just press enter, and now Google Flow will make the scene number 2 from this frame here, okay? Just give it a few seconds to finish. Okay, Google Flow finished, so let me just play this video to see how this looks, okay? So let me just play this video. And again, what I need to do, I need to move this marker slowly, a bit back, okay, so I can save the last frame, and again, save frame. Give it a second to save this frame, okay, go back here, and again, animate this frame, and again, I will give it a prompt to scene number 3. Here you can see continue from the final frame of the scene number 2. And all I have to do now is just actually give period and click here, and now Google Flow will make the final third scene. So this video will be 24 seconds long in total, because as you can see here, I have chosen for each scene to be 8 seconds long. So 8 times 3 is 24 seconds long short video, okay? Just give it a few seconds to finish making this third scene, and I will show you how you can combine these 3 scenes to make one 24 seconds long video. Okay, let me just click here to play this third scene. So let me just go back here, click here on play.
But I didn't give up. And today is day 90.
Actually, as you can see, this looks really good. So what I need to do, I need to go back here and I need to click here on this first video, okay? I need to click here, let me pause this, and I need to click here on this plus, okay? Add a clip. And now I need to choose one of these clips. So let me see. And I need to click here on add to scene, okay? Give it a second to actually add this scene. Okay, so now what I need to do, I need to click here on this plus again, and I need to add a clip, and I will add this third clip. So let me just check out. So I need to add this first clip here. Just give it a second to add this clip. And here you can see it actually didn't arrange that well. So I will move this clip here, okay? And just play this video from the beginning so you can see how this entire 24 seconds video looks.
Today is the day. Every small step counts. It was tough at first, but I didn't give up. And today is day 90. Today is the day.
As you can see, this is actually a really good video. You can't even make the difference between the transitions between the scenes. So it is a good video. So what I need to do, I simply need to click here and I need to download this video to my desktop, to my computer. Just give it a few seconds to actually download this video. Okay, finished downloading my video. So what I need to do next, I need to go here on Pinterest and I need to click here on this plus, and I need to click here on pin, and I need to upload this video. Click here and let me find this video. So I will simply scroll here. This is the video. Here you can see this is the video, and now it is important to optimize your Pinterest video. You need to add a title that contains your main keyword. You need to add a description that contains your main and your secondary keyword. For the link, here you need to add a link to your landing page, to this page here. That is important. You should not, I wouldn't recommend to add your direct Digistore 24 affiliate link here, okay? Add a link to your landing page or to your bridge page or to your blog website where you are promoting this affiliate offer from Digistore 24 affiliate marketplace, okay? Go back here on Pinterest. Here you need to choose a right board. Here you need to choose right topics. Weight loss, Weight Watchers recipes, weight loss tips, weight lifting, weight loss smoothie. Weight loss smoothing, this is actually exactly what it is. This is a 21-day smoothie diet. So this topic is perfect for my video. You need to add more relevant tags, okay? You can even double your earnings by clicking here, add a product, and you can add a product from Amazon. All you have to do now is just click here on publish, and you will publish this video here that you made by using Google Flow, totally free. You will publish that video on Pinterest, and you can make videos like this every day. And you need to upload videos like this every day. And because these videos are before and after, people like to see the results. They like to see before and after. That is why these videos work really, really well. You probably won't get thousands and thousands and thousands of views, but you will get much more clicks to your videos, to your website. You will get much more outbound clicks. Much more people will visit your landing page, and that means you can potentially make more money. You should upload these videos not just on Pinterest, you should upload these videos also on TikTok, on Instagram, on Facebook, on YouTube, on Reddit, on Twitter, wherever you can. Upload these videos to get as much traffic as you can to your landing page, because in that way you will potentially make even more money with Digistore24 affiliate marketing by using free AI.
That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.